Good morning. Welcome to my video. I'm going to take us for a walk on Greenwich Beach here in Prince Edward Island, and you will see me attempt to rescue a bird trapped in a lobster trap. So come on along for the walk. Okay. So we're just heading down here to Greenwich Beach. Beautiful, pristine, sandy beach. And I was walking down here this morning and I found a bunch of lobster traps. And there's a crow, a big crow stuck in one of the lobster traps. So I had to come back to my car and get my knife. Morning. Not only my knife, I went back to get my thickest pair of gloves I had. Coming up to the beach here soon. By the way, this park is considered one of the nicest parks in Prince Edward Island. It's on the easternmost section of the PEI National Park system on the island. It's known for its sand dunes, and there's these trails like the one I'm on here now that roll across through marshes. But of course the main attraction is the beach, which would compare to anywhere in the world, you know, in terms of, well, you'll see it in a sec. The only problem, in terms of pros and cons, the only problem with the East Coast of Canada, not the only problem, one of the big problems is the weather. We're in late May here, still wearing layers of clothes, winter jacket, hat. I have 2 pairs of pants on, and it's getting close to the end of May. So, and the other downside is the lack of people. I am the only car in the parking lot. I am the only person on the trail. So you spend a lot of solitary time when you're in the East Coast of Canada. We have a lot of older people, aging population. So they're not doing the types of things they used to do. Okay, here we are. The lovely guard shack. There's the beach. So hopefully the camera does this justice, but this beach keeps going in both directions. It's all sand dunes, white sandy beach, no rocks, but it's freezing cold. Water's cold. I like to walk barefoot on the beach, but I'm not doing that. My feet will freeze off. But if you like nature, the East Coast of Canada has it all. Don't have to drive far at all. Nobody bothers you about anything. I camped in my van on the beach parking lot last night. Nobody bothered me at all. So you can do a lot and not have to worry about people bothering you about parking or whatever in the East Coast. There's not a lot of people. Okay, I'm going to show you the lobster traps and this poor bird now. Okay, there's a pile of 4, 5, 6, 9 lobster traps in a nice neat pile here. board stuck in here. What am I going to do, right? Love to know how we got in there in the first place. How are we going to get you out? The hole where the lobsters crawl in is tiny. Okay, I see. I'm able to open right here. So I can just kick the other. There we go. They can repair that if they ever do come back for the. Oh, there he goes. Sweet. Oh, that's the bird rescue story. On Greenwich Beach, Prince Edward Island, in spring. Just gonna keep on walking here. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you like my videos, please subscribe and help me grow the channel. If you resonate with all these shenanigans, check out my book, How Solo Travel Changed My Life. It's on Amazon. See you in the next one.